Ibotta can show an already redeemed message when a receipt, offer, barcode, or purchase has already been connected to another redemption record. By the end, you'll know why Ibotta shows this message and what steps to take when a valid purchase is not receiving cashback. The first thing to check is whether the offer was already used. Ibotta offers can only be redeemed once when the same qualifying purchase has already been submitted and approved. Open the Ibotta app and check your activity history. Your earnings history shows whether the offer was previously submitted, approved, or is still being reviewed. If you share receipts, check whether someone else already submitted the same purchase. Ibotta may recognize the receipt as already used because the transaction has already been connected to another account. Next, check the offer details before trying again. Some offers require a specific product, size, brand, quantity, or store, and a mismatch can prevent the cashback from applying correctly. If the offer is still available and you believe the message is incorrect, review your receipt information. Make sure the store, purchase date, item details, and receipt image are clear and match the offer requirements. Avoid repeatedly uploading the same receipt. Multiple submissions for the same purchase can create additional confusion because the system may continue recognizing the receipt as already processed. If you used a loyalty account connected to Ibotta, check that the purchase was linked to the correct Ibotta account. Account connection problems can sometimes make it difficult to match the purchase correctly. You can also update the Ibotta app and try again after restarting it. App updates can fix display problems or temporary issues with offer tracking. If none of these steps work, contact Ibotta support through the app. Provide the receipt details, the offer name, and a screenshot of the already redeemed message so support can review the issue. The main fixes are checking redemption history, confirming the offer requirements, avoiding duplicate submissions, and contacting support with complete information when the message appears by mistake. Your next step is to open your Ibotta activity history. Confirm whether the offer was already processed, and then check the receipt details before submitting anything again. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta issue, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.